What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be exploring Ocho Rios. We're gonna have some food and explore the beautiful scenery. You know your girl is gonna hit you up when I get there. And of course I have some road highlights for you. So I'll see you. Road trip, we can't just. Hey, road team. Hey, you see you in Ochi. Buena, Ochi.
Say Ochi, please.
Yeah, you may go.
Say Ochi.
Yeah, so you go say, hey, keep me for extra. Funny, my sit here with anything, you know. Ochi, here we come.
Yep.
At approximately 2 o'clock, we are just leaving out.
Just get one chips, I think, and one juice and one mass. If you can.
Hear me?
No bother.
It's the same way. The same way. It feels them so much.
Come with me? Yeah.
2, 3, what?
You can get
20 minutes to the hour, 4 o'clock.
Wait. Kimako. Ina no mask.
What's up, guys? We are. You can't hear myself. What's up, guys? We are in Iron Shore. Getting ready to go to Ocho Rios. Có biết phun là nhỉ?
Mới phun đi. Mới phun.
Không được mình được không? Dạ có phun.
Cái này biết. Dạ phun.
Vamos phun cái em.
That means
Bluetooth ready to pair.
I don't know if not my mask inside.
Bluetooth connected.
Baby, again to pick your biscuit. You were talking. Jamaica by water lah. Water.
Ada I forgot and stuff. I think I don't know. The place in name where they have all sitting. What you call it? Tasha, give me some wipe off now. They have
Shoot your mother. Shoot your mother.
Baby, me have a plan. Vacation. Put your money sun. Give you a couple grand. We can get the van. In a brand. Put the headboard. Because bang, 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 bang. You can take me. Bang, 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 bang. When I'm here, I'm where you feel like stuck in a job, baby.
You go got Edward Tiaga Highway. I told him that thing, you know. Hey, boy! Are you slow now? I can't lean back. Stop lean back. I miss it up. Don't go lean back. Lean back. This is a magya. Saya punya bakter. Let's watch it. Alright. Gimana ya bang? No, Margaret, if you over here.
Eh?
Margaret, if you over here. Sit there.
Sorry. Say sorry. This is the
Right. It's a paid park thing. Nobody can hold over here.
Go down in the middle of this one.
Can't go
You
where?
can go where some more.
Yeah.
You want to go over so? Go do what? See restaurant. What the sound look like?
Put your mango side. Never kill him.
You want to kill him?
No, I'm killing this.
He plays some restaurant.
Don't kill that ugly looking beast.
Go in the water. The water come to go in.
Yeah, come with me, guys.
Stand what?
You're finally here, guys.
What?
I'm finally in Ocho. Where are you, Kaim? We are at Ochi. Ochi, yes. So guys, we're gonna check out this restaurant. What place team, Sasha? Lobster Dave.
Bye! Bye!
Come sit together. Come sit together.
Guys,
Alright.
we'll be checking out the Lobster Dave's restaurant in Ocho. Yeah, on the road again in Ocho. Checking out a different restaurant. Checking out the restaurant today, guys. It's all about the food. You don't want to say.
Yes, sir.
Lobster Dave's it is. Let's go. So, we are not playing so. He said this upstairs. Seafood. Oh, gone. Kaya ka cover din? Ano? Yung mago sa first. So, yago. Sip.
I'm choosing lobster. Get my. Si me want to look down.
somebody go pick up for you. Kimmy going at her fish. People, we are just going home. Just leaving Ochi, guys. What is Kim doing? So people, we are just leaving the restaurants, Lobster Caves, and it took us a long time to get our food, guys. After you order a meal, you get it like about an hour later, guys. If you're hungry, please do not come here. But the food was delicious. It just took a long time. So be ready, guys. So just leaving Ochi. And we got here after 5. And we are just leaving, guys. It's about 7:30. 7:30. If you night catch me again, every time I go night catch me. Just a little Ochi from for them restaurants. Night catch me. Can't be sing good for record.
How much are we going to say last time, Kissy?
Don't worry.
Crystal, don't watch it. How far you watch it? I will choose them a big old fish then you come to nothing.
Your fish tastes good, Andre?
Let's go.
Sit out, come on, me a big one. But I just say 1 minute ago, I just see Miss
guys, today we visited the Lobster restaurant in Ochi, and guys, so it's an amazing environment, right? But if you're hungry, please do not go there, because we got our food about an hour and some minutes after ordering it. Guys, the prices that were on the menu, when you order, after you order, you're gonna get a different price. So for example, if you see a fish for $1,500, when it comes, you're gonna hear that it's $2,000. As a matter of fact, guys, the fishes that were shown to us, they started at $2,000 for the fishes. The size came hot, but the fish was a bit cold, guys. I'm telling you, the food takes a long while to get. It took a long while to get to us, so we got our food late. Most were complaining that the food took too long to arrive and it was cold. And I feel like the main problem with Lobster is that the food takes too long to get to you. So if you're really hungry, that's not the place for you. But when I got my fish, it wasn't bad at all, but it wasn't hot. And the prices that were shown on the menu, when you get after ordering, you're gonna hear that it's a different price. So the prices in the menu really needs to be updated, guys. But the chill spot is okay. I like where it's at. Is just that service is a bit slow. It take a while to get your food, and you may have to pay a different price than what is shown in the book. So just finally reaching back home, guys. Actually, it took us about almost 3 hours to get back to my home. So let me know what you think about the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.